Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl, your sister, Happy Prince Vlogs. Please, if you are new here, you are welcome to the family. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. And to my old subscribers, thank you and God bless you all. I love you all. So I get this little topic for you. So my little topic for you guys now about this our brother in the diaspora. We cry come outside, we see a law. One use juju take kill him mama. So the juju when that law go do with the daughter, it can't affect the daughter can't die. Now why is sad life? So the in-law can still carry wish give the man to children. Then make the man come cry, come outside. Now say he need help because the family of the girl and it say and the man killer. And whereas not be the man killer, and the woman that kill herself because of what Babati when she go shook her hand put when she go join her mother go they do to take care this man his family. He not can work. Maybe say God can stand for this man his family now. He not can work. Which kind of problem be all this one? They go send me all these women, all these old women when they don't old, when they don't heal mind. May they stay in peace. May they get good mind to anybody when come across their daughter or their son. They go say no. See what happen now. How can you imagine? You tell husband, you go to sleep with another man. You sleep with another man finish. Your husband still they bring money for you. Make you take build that with them. So they can still go donate to daughter. They gonna watch this video.
Il vient donner boire. Voilà, wo. Edogwe otume asokoko bo. Enya ogwe to. Voilà. Omano kwashi yobigo gwalo, salo bo yobigo na. La yoboni wagwalo obuwa. Oyi yobore e video na yo na lao na shi oyi. Na lao omano ize done anybody that can understand Benin or a little bit of Benin language, because it's a thing that involves Benin. I should have explained this thing in English, but I believe there will be no need for that. You know, it happened to me and my in-laws, most especially the mother of my wife. So the story goes like this. I want to use Benin to explain my mind so that people will understand what I'm saying. Please, everybody, whether you are a Benin person, you understand Benin a little, or you are from Nigeria, please help me to share this live video. I have never done this before. This is my first time of coming to live video because I am being oppressed. You know, I really don't know how to explain myself of what is happening to me right now. It started January of this year. Please, whether you understand Benin or not, just share this video. The people that understand what I'm saying will know what I want to say. Please, it's my first time of doing it. I believe it will be my last time to do this type of things. Lao ibie donye no go me. Keke wadiri aye mu tagmo. The video na wagume gae ko ejobo o le manare e yobigo ijobe gwa gae kekan no make na se obe mani gwalo e o ya me we na gae na lao. So okana time no but he an gia gere no make na no me na gwa eba ya when this one at I believe it work gbegbe. So okana na do fun ebe ni na ebe boyi ili okwo yo wa ke payo pani. So okwo ebo banusa owa na ti ebo banusa bodi omo local government wa gbera uwe ute sabudu ebo na ti ebo banusa na ye wa lagboro una ki ko bayi lagboro nigi e una gbera kwa wa de udo se abugonoba le ya iwe ni giagia ebo puba goneki de udo se ube me obyo doni but odo na why is ube udo less any to re se ebo banusa ebo ne omobu dekere ebo ni lighthouse polytechnic ye ebo ni ati owa eboe omobude so ina yo wo egbe ni na ti egbe ibizugbe wo wa ba nusa wala wo wa kumega video na wala wa kumega video na e ba na yo wo egbe ibizugbe e na yo wo iyen egbe ibizugbe polo be wo ni o so kan ibizugbe ni kana na wo wa ibizugbe is a family name. You understand? It's a family name. So egbe ore igbinabiye ati eloko ni mewadi Godfrey ibizugbe igbinabiye. So ko ni meri na be wo ba no sa wala owo ibe wo ba no sa do ware platform na do waro e kan di ga ese wa kume ware waro no iyo na mi se obi bizugbe obi e pagre Godfrey na obi e no dion ona ga Saturday e pastor no ore bien tiere do Ariama Wopa Opa so Mobile Road e obi na bowa the man is a nice man o ti o ka me no dion no nupo giver ona ga itoan ni ati eye baby yizi egbe ibi owa eyan yakin itoan na simi Caesar na ti erima na simi Maleke Maleke o teme no si wan o Maleke ni oni re kun mi awoja egbe mi awoja na egbe na won mi nana so Maleke ni ona simi imade na ti eye gift ibi ebo ba no sa ibi owa eyan yakin wala owo wa go me shi o na mi to ebo ba no sa forum imam na ni ya won egbe be vitanet na la wo we need a justice in this issue wa adam yo me ni tana yin na ni toge yo so lo ba ni atana ya we ni toge yo so lo ba no ya gbon ye yin mi o ga no we gbe o ya ga me emi no danger na o na ndi mo wo sa bo ya ga me so imade na ni kana na se ye gift na o modo be eke wanro so imade na si mi e Doris o wo kin me o ko ni me die ya te weni imabe na ya we ate weni tag picture ya rin ya fe lele wala wo wa gele mi se ke na ya wash je wa ge se ke ne Daniya yiye all social media presenters wala wo wa in need a justice wona emi so ejoli o lagbode o family na me kana na ibi bizugbe be e wo panosa ogwa ate sabudu wa gbe ba ube go ni on local government no be to state in Nigeria so ina pasoko na jowa ikepa eretira aye ina re one room mama bi ye mo ka pa aro before as you know Nigeria na ma o di pass abi ye me so I was there with them mana pa akoko aro then this lady ni me kana ni me oboki me na be are a family house oriyan e me ga friend that was the year 2005 November 27th 2005 e ma wo yen gbe. So, on a to travel by the year 2008. On a to travel. On a to buy Libya. I think she spent 2 years with Oni. Okay, my friend again. My friend again. I'm waiting here marry. I was just waiting for her to come back. Then she came. Libya ready to stay Nigeria. She never sent me one kobo. I'm maybe Igore, or Yamezi, Bekoi. In a year back in winner. Back from there 2009 now today Imoto 2009 now my first car then Imoto ni yawuna then she later came back from the Libya 2010 then she came back ogire awe a big boy we working even we you know we was me as then mo we call you we Libya if we say they carry 100 naira if we call you we when we call back when we call back or whether me they forbid to call Libya, me now okay, no problem because they love in Iran. Then she came back 2010. Then we started dating again. Maybe Zayene, you understand me? Because do me na me open no boku. Even we bo ma go no way dey one another minute. Maybe me balamish or maybe me dakodo we maybe ma me who. One other maybe get na agbu ko shot. I mean whether I do me ego. So if my then 2010 on a dore 2011 like now come maybe me ya me we make system me married ne what do we do now we do me make ya marry do we my la wo ni me owo come no problem manado owo ma be no ye na family as ma bi je mo pa ro manado to wa na ye be do ba me I can be marry me we now come no problem but that is not the problem why when you na okay, separate because I rented my house with my mom, with my families together as I then. Then we were living there together peacefully. Nothing we made up a to scatter us. Then you know, no problem. What do you want me to do? When you are is that the problem? Oh yes. You know, do have a room and a parlor where a base street will go away. It go by. Then my boy not bad. Manaro 2012. Another one. Another be. One. If you don't know some wala wo. E no see. You know, as we matter na odieke. Even we make na understand the emeni guakan. Because I don't know about it. Why be no yasu nu na la we go share this the live video. I have never done it before. This is my first time of coming to live video. If I know where to make why do you come live? Why do you come to live video? You should have settled this thing. Make it at home. That is what I would normally tell those people. No, your live video, yeah, broadcast. But I never knew where I will come across the kind of pain. The man pass through. The men criticizing here. So, I believe where there will be a justice in this place. Please, just share this live video. As more, watch here, just share it. Just press your share. So, 2010, 2012, Manado be my first son. Then 2013, I think my first son now about a year and 8 months. Yeah, my second son. Then Manado be the second one, 2013. 2014, early, in order to travel, in order to Bona. Then from there now, why I'm not about the interesting one. Then from there the story began. It is story yasun. It is we making up a face in say because no fire so 2014, I me live me say we bought 3 months. Eri na wu, e robo kan na wu. Man ni e mi no je e robo kan me ni e mi no je ebu kere over because kenebu na bugbe onion fibo. So ana ro be ni. Ijo working me or ijo working me keke tion or why the problem of this issue. Ide even if you are not watching my because you know so many people cannot watch. Even if you cannot watch, as far as you are my friend on Facebook, just click on this place, share so that you can get to Daniyayi and Niger Watch. I just please that Niger Watch. If you are able to get this my video, please put it on your channel. I need it. If you have no sir, if ni only awu me egbe bizugbe atamu wana. E mata itamu wana ma wuyo ne. Ne ma ve do wuyo o ya meta de. O ya meto kana de o. E ma ewe mi na de ni wu na but if na ma wu de egbo ma. If na ma wu de ave we na we say egbo ma. So 2014 e na do travel na do live. E dey live already 3 months. E lo ka me na wu. E na wo ke o ta we beria o ta wo na o ta mi wo yo ana be we ke me ke ra me ke tie me tie ra me so na gbo ama. So nobody because I think I came to this Europe 90 days before the man died. 90 days and even God will bless one of my friends, Kevin. The boy was just like a God sent to me, and we were the same in the same camp. We came to this Europe together. Although the guy not 50 euro or wepa la egui when the family of why stress we have better than allow woo. Because you have fian when we can mirror and make him never wa no book me ya by e now Kevin away done away big Kevin work on my private also no 50 euro. You know Kevin gave me he gave me that 50. That was the first money Kevin I've ever gotten in this country. May God bless you, Kevin. If you can able to watch this thing, whatever anything still in my mind, God will bless you. So Kevin had to leave 50 euro ni me. Now to go go the buy. If tell me so now come no problem, they will go there now the way we are. And the way better than enough. Then story began. Elaya aro. Then we 2016. Osaba na do have blessing ina do doctor. Iri doctor ina wo come e wo come be na mi ya ije na nia. Obo come be na mi ya ije na nia. La wo where so when we get on before if tell me 2014 if that was like 2015 but until we come not on oku ona mo moto wa die ona wo tamo come we when we get on oda for we pade we bodo kan ti mu jako wa do vie ye we no do atota kin aye na we ejo obi e die we bo to say where away no here or hand over when you wish the webo agba owo bi me o kan na vi he ona bi olele ibije ina vi opa eje na be ka my way me father no have opa na obi yon say ayi on talk pade webo utewe je ken uri na re she will not come there to pay you any visit in neither to greet us my children. I will not come there because we didn't chase you away. We are not sending you away. My son is no longer around. Does not mean we marry away. He let you for me so that whenever he comes, he will hand over whenever that is our agreement before I left the country then 214. Then Jesus way bow on a lilian on the dobisina we bizugbena vowa ebobanosa abudu otesa abudu wagume share live video na wagesi bi ebobanosa bo na la wo ni abegume na bizugbe deri mememi ni ata no magi ni mema so ebani 2016 ina odoto ina wo kan idoto since we reke ni 20 years no wala odo ni regbe ameka be adigo nu we yakodo do gume win na be site be din na okay no wala e na wa gbe foundation gbon my wife was there and last born rin jolly ne photo camera no ri you know sam pamisi kanya me na jolly ni mega akoko bedo e jolly ni ori win ri boss bu dari be la we bone lawo wo wa gume live video na wa ga e siri e bo ba no sabo wala wo wa ga siri e bo ba no sabo. I have never done this thing before, but this is my first time of doing it. So I don't do way foundation you. Then I don't do abo wani. So can maybe the lian bejo, so ebejo because can yega. No problem. Ari we no one. There was a day. Ari more se ni tene. Am I kind? Me go ma call him. Owe pa o. Ina we. Owe imi obo kan kekebe edede pa be. Eya na bo wa. Ina we dede. Edede. Ina we je me ma ina we. Or what be you anything because the person man yeme. You know where now you lady yeme, you know my here. Oh man. Oh but I saw your wife and one black lady now we know now you got it all wrong. Now we more yeme is a yellow person just like me. Oh we are because can't tell where you is a fair person that you know where we me made it now we know. Now that can never be my mother. Immediately nobody phone call now where man we me where keke edede ba be area me ekene ni na we ohun na we sati owe no owe yin owa mani ge yin omi o owe yin omi o ina wo come no problem then I call this person again where when am worry ba kan me owe pa we me ma be wo kun we because the boy and I we both work in the same place again in Nigeria so he knows everything about me owo come ina wo come the day when me now how did she look like why did give him a description of that day there or you were he happens to be the wife of my mother that was my mother-in-law ina we baby we again no job can make we job can work your man now I never told him matter more was in many way something maybe they went there for something spiritual now we know or we me black cellophane they were just coming out from the site now we are black cellophane I never you know why matter ekwaro we do kai la if you don't know wa go mega live video now wa get see be able ba no sabo we owa volume local government if you able ba no sa wa get live video na see abo. So, you know, what do you went there to do with a black nylon? They said we are bringing her something. Black nylon. No, she never. Or we imagine with black nylon. Then I move for no problem. I'll get back out of Manatori. Then we. Ciao. Then the whole matter dissolved like that. Then we get 2017 after the Niwaka were 40%, like 60% to complete the house. You know where? Is she made a tenant? Or can the work where were you? Please, my wife, keep on told the one room, what we no where the other side. Oh, can we know? Or we enjoy, moreover, it cannot even stay with my mom. In a way, what do you mean? My mom was the person not saying me the way. Based on the how do I say it, the relationship between you and my mom as at 2005 was even that is bigger than the relationship between me and my mom, my old biological mother. As at then, in a way, but in a year, yes or no, I went no okay, man, no problem. May I work for where I can't make you. Woman, it means where my own no marry. You know, only one single room. Imagine that you there was no German floor, there was no window, there was not. In fact, my mother said, I will go because I don't want to be paying house rent anymore. You know, okay, mom, if you said so, you can go. Then my mother went. She went there. On our here. Then maybe at what? Then already 2018, last 2 years. know, come my wife, as it is now, you must go there, this house. After some, to cut the long story short, after some argument and every other thing, then I will come in to work here. Then the first month of working, me save ani. I might say a month. It's okay now. What is all this? In a way, boy, we also women for some. At least I might dollar you for there was nothing. You understand? Why understand the now? In order for you to live tenant, when you have a roof under your building, at least a Paco family can enable to live in that place, whether window or no window, doors or no doors, they can at least for manageable for some time. When they shock in the yard, I don't even know. Then she ran away. On a dog very level. It is a bena, not itoana, or we bizu benodi on who, where Wabalosa. Wawa, Wagumega live video now. A justice a need, Wawaka Bawa Dami Ho. A Niger Wash, please, if you are unable to get this thing, this my live video, if anyone can share it to you, please put it on your channel. Lao. Than Ijayi and every other Facebook or WhatsApp presenters. Please, a justice is what I need, either for me or for them. I understand, man. So, then from there, she came back again. Another sickness from 2018 now, from sickness to sickness, from sickness small. If do me know what am I? I wanna say that I'm a do one again. What we are so new one. Away my way look back. Then another woman. If you treat the hospital, must have a year, who were your whistle, must have a hospital, yes. So, when you're 2018 on a bar, 2019 on a be increasing a little bit, 2019 on a bar. Then 2018, 2019, every day, the woman. Atama we ije me atama me we ni ka ma tamo bo kan we na egbe babo wa ni eboke we ata ije ne wa ma be bofo ka mo bo kan na egbe babo wa ni eboke we egbe ha ije me we tami me na on a seed the seed no how can I explain this to my wife? A wife ni me say no we ascend on this ka mo bo kan we na egbe now this thing is too bigger. I really don't know how to explain this or to tell this to my wife. For 6 months in Matamokame, I was afraid to tell her what my mother is telling me. Because the thing is maybe not here, now we know. But it's unbearable. Now okay, let me start telling my wife what my mom is telling me. And now those one know baby, give me no sunu. Even where a pastor and every other person here, where who won't be me or one boy. And not only you make a temeso in other way, if more temeso like we boy is eager schooling okay. Oh, we are I put me, and then we don't do not put mama. I put me in our one another. Oh, what tata, my wife is talkative. We know taleme in your mind. What about me? Edo Nana Guko, I mean on the radio, Nala Wu. What about Gumega live video now? What gets second if you ever banos are ye, even if you be Zugbe only a woman. I'm not saying I'm not guilty or they are the one guilty. That is not what I'm saying. A justice is what I need in this issue, whether for me or for them. So, I think in order to why you understand it. So, iye me na iwo koma sisi me ize tamobo kan me we gemi o we yin na wi yo ma wa bo gba wa to bo we atama o iye me ya ito bo we atama we la wo egbin ba me o wa ni eboke oda fun we o wa na we beje iye ya din ko bo wa oda fun we yin fi yin we se ja fi wa na ni ari o we bi bu we o wa na wa ye ekekere na iye je bo wa ya occupy the place yin ma we nu wa re ku bo yin ma we nu wa we mi lo pa ito le ti lo ere ropa owu adadore na ya ne edem nu he gbin ba owe yin oye ni wo ko ma do we lawo we ti tun re we ti tun re ni to bi ta ma ta so wa we o ni but baba na emi ami bere obele ade family ya so do obi owu yi se gbe na ti ito wan na ito wan ni ati ma di bo ye idi age iyi ma di bo be won ije baby ito wan o ye ni iyi zi egbe obi bizugbe no di onokwu no wa di onokwu be bo balosa bo wa wumega na emi wa gesi bi bo balosa bo. So awe yin they no really January this year. Ona do akun mi buye owe de gbe mara yin o ila wo na wo koma gbe mi go na do send €100 ge ona be yadi hospital obe we treatment kekere ona be yadi wa obe early February I think no sorry ending of February a year now owe gbe mara yin o eri yin set it olonwe o ri yin wo na wo koma mi go ona be yadi hospital okpa Iwa get the long story short because you are waiting 2 years me I want more for now boys told me now for 2 years. So now if you cannot able to watch this my video, please just click watch here or in order for other no interest or no story me na ya wan egbe no make na watch here because you don't see ibi ebo balosa obo ni make na gumen ibi bizu gbe bi ansa a guy's name Rian but Rian wune that man was a nice person before kewu. So la wo wagumega a video na la wa gesi vie ivie bo balosa but ni make na gumen na ibi bizu gbe emi ni wi an ra emi ni me wi an so that the peace make na go down dog. Then on February be year now she began to sick again. Another person won after to go to the hospital. She went to the hospital I think for a year and so but sorry a week and some days. Then she came back. Then on the hospital ni until no be an see me jolly ni mera akoko in Nigeria. Ona that guy ona you know yakpa misikanya me. Edo eto dame because edo we no me bogbo mama sebo ma who come we no say. Then the boy did not call he never knew woman no mega hospital ni where he got the tiwa ye dobisi working and I think I left since I ni me by Nigeria my yo am I we wa ti gbe am I we wa ti destroy your egbe as ye won e ma di we mana soto okon uri emelu okon wa ri elephant every day you can never fat e ma di we mana soto when you una make peace no matter how delicious food you will eat you can never be delicious. So no then the boy not worry something I know to call my wife in the hospital ni you know where otun no dion okabe gbe me dege na jejaka ni ya te weni mwe maki no ti on jajo me mana ti jejaka ni jo ni fi oya me jejaka no bun ya te weni mwe ma wa tun jo kabe gbe me one time ruda we odi maki everlasting maki yo me gbe lawo wo wa do gbe me wa dede wa no gbe wa ran won oteme wa ko wa le lian mu ya gwa lo odo no that odo no capable odo ni an expect no we te marry no wa ya marry e odo ni then me wa teme na e je na wa pa e je wa ya wa me ono wa ya mu me ati a gas cylinder na come ya live any me. Then she went there she took so many things with otin na e je na help you kan e je is almost about 90 years old no yenye be na was one it's almost about 90 years e ti on ibu were ma na so ni ati amaleke go wa call me mi paro e u me before e lucky ni me we ma eleke na egbe ye boy to ogbe mu ane then e no ke nya iri agbe me di awonu na ni mi na gba obe abe boy you ke ya di owo aye wala wo wa go mega live video na abe boy you ake yara a live video na wala wo bi e do wa go mega live video na. So if you no see that level if you no see problem ire or if you no ya me ya di oku we gbe bizugbe we owa ebo banosa oni omo local government ebo omobude ebo ni Lighthouse Polytechnic iye ve Sunshine Hill iki na ute sabudu about 150 meters between Owa and Abudu. I'm say 1 kilometer safe. So then early March this year another person wa home again you know okay I like that this up me where I will wait I can wear on me no kan wo no ya kun me na we yes or when we know what nothing was say kakabo. I will tell you the part of the part no about they interested in this story. That is where we are driving to now. Now, what they know or me know they will not just listen to my story. I'm not there with your sister. The only thing I'm just looking for a way, any alternative for her to be healthy, just the way she is before. Tell her to confess. But no matter confess, no matter how hospital bills, I'm just spending this money in order why don't I maybe or that for I'm spending this money in hospital. You guys are still spending. Does not mean where without she making a confession where this is what I did or about to do or what I have done before. There will she was I think she spent about 3 to 2 weeks plus in hospital. Near the jumping some interesting part of it. Then ori hospital ni ina do ajogo bo abeti on ije so ni be dogo boy ajo to me I really don't believe wogo no because if ni meegi mo we ibe ari obo orobo boke to tama lewe mo we mi nana mini am oye bo ma no egbe o ma akun mi ogun imagine hari kun regbe ara yen no o ma no egbe ni wala o go make live video no wa get CV bizugbe obo le bo ba lo sa o wa wala o de wa yo bi gbe wala so lo ba de yo bi go no ma so lo ba de yo bi go ni me o bi de enu we no ogun me ga e so 2000 a year mo yana 220 na ma yana na March early March ona do akun mi she went back to the hospital again then the hospital she went she never returned on that's my oboki me metamu we na oja meta ba we o ma le story na the metamu we na she went to the hospital and never came back alive then hospital ni ẹ̀yin again na to make some maybe small confession ni mekata dey see for 3-4 years like a year ago ni mekata dey see but no one take it from me they thought maybe boy na me look ba ma work be me material so that only oyin aya o ya me but they forget where the owner of heaven and earth which is God or me woman no where I me wu so ene ya kama me woke o ka gboriyan audio it was no wo be there imagine me down there the man is also a nice person or you know what to call him doctor exactly the way the place I stand now on what him because he's doing na what him where we me la wo na dia na eyin ere o kan kun mi which is a Doris if you tie maka mi because e lo wo kin me owu ne e lo wo kin me see me man na no igbu me kun no kan gbin ana eyin man ere ede oya sunu ede mi na dia na no de na wa do ka mi ere Doris kun mi yin man go wo kin me kun is there yin aye o see me na we pa la wo ne tun din man we e Doris ire okun mi ya okun ya that yin amon at the hospital ina we ne yan said your way di me maka mi ani aka bon no tin atare mi no bologbe without a manata or logo I can never pray to be a widower young as I am I'm a young man it might say 80 years it might say 90 or 100 I'm going to handle no matter how the big sin she committed if she date or confess I believe where she must be alive by now it's now press negwan but they were threatening me where or who ireti me we an gbe mo eje me an ta gbogije mo eri an wonu na then odobisi e an to confess you eri ya so mo iye me bota eri ya mu iye me aja waye lala da waye lala no ri o mai meti ga gun eri ye be fi owo yo ha ina wo afi owo yo ha no problem because after all me wa no wala eri ewu pa kekan no come no problem a problem is any but the bigger thing you did if you have said those things earlier maybe a twema take away where sick is hospital now my way to we had so in your year then on the 17th of April she died she gave up in the night ekedi wa ye na iwa winner but you know there matova call him here we can we now now why we now where what when aware why am na merian women ogbe edobisi ije megi ma bejo eje mo gbagbe edobisi ve when na me maleke we ka me na dia we ekenu wajo aka ewe ne edobisi u bugbe ni ye me la wo no ya bo no nerun ne my mother went to the hospital to pray for her where whatever you did no wete ugume no go back to you I please to God to forgive you so that you can stand on your feet again. My mother went to the hospital to pray for her. Omayoa, you. So why are you now pointing and accusing finger to our direction? We might go Dobis. Now Dobis is wound in here. Baki Bereji. Why we know what Bereji now? What I gig. What either? Force in Noah. I would know wound. Let's calm down. Because there's a problem no roto. Nama yeta. Wala wo. Wagumega live video now. Wageso bibi bizugbe. Wa. Wageso bibi bizugbe. Ibizugbe ni kana. Ibizugbe is a large family in Owa. Ibi bizugbe, ibi Godfrey, igbinabi ibizugbe late or wune. So we are not dion or a Saturday solo kata or a guy's name or he is a pastor or radiama. The man is a humble person, is a responsible and a respectable person. The man egwale minoton. Before making this live video, he called a benawe page me. Or what my in-law. La wo e mata na won o maka me ibije me eyin akin ekenu ewo asianse otherwise obo ada that was an original no dion time me baba na 20 or 15 minutes ago e meta mu we na where you should drag them to any length you want to go. So another way you woke up man so ko wa make bury eji o e dia mu go your own o ne me love na we I ti bury you wanna because omo na or confess we if you where you are e ete we ni ja owi ewu e ete wonu na no wate ka ya awe o before ade oje to to e inoro wa na bury you love ni woke up man e no so no wa gen bo ka gbo. My father went to the head of the family, which is the Okagbe. Then Okagbe woke up, man, in order to show some solidarity to the family who lost their sister. Oma Ogiau, Nani Zone, Sis of Wune. Any do ya zone, and do ya bury a part of my house. Nimeata me and you wanna bury a part of my house. I went in there, the Maleke, Iradia in the Maleko gas them away. And you better who are you one year. Or maybe I go when I bury to visit outside the women. The man when I bury I you when I went. No, I'm not wounded. You can bury high anywhere. And I do ya what you want to come. Get bury outside. Why are you taking a bury? You be my one. They are just the first one is about 10 years. The second one is also I think 8 years plus. No, we bury the person. No man, no way you can why down your team or tell me not your no beer or you quit your guana. As I speak with you now, believe you me that is listening to me. So, a team that film, a team working men now, and this their elder brother, they are just like a cataract because we money or say the truth where la wo. In my way, you get lily and of me or that's all I got with my wobble. Is you punish your the who will be punished. No, in my to be as a clergy person, maybe the man must have went far to do some verification in order to believe what we were saying. So the man I have went far to do some verification to know whether we are saying the truth or not the truth. Then the man even including me as I speak now. The man is still telling me we allow my in-law for what I have done before. You forgive me. You can deal with anybody you want to deal with. So now if I were a problem because you were acting on what they were telling you because you are not you are not living in my house. You don't even know what is happening there. If you are acting for any other thing you will receive from your sisters or your brother, that is how you take the issue because you are the head. You are now the eldest son to the family. You are just like a father to my wife. Although where but like a father to her. Then a man in a walk away, you will boy, another send you, another way to bury a deck betting, away, when our way, be motor, another young one near to passes on the stress video, another bury on your for. Then the tion, ya, not making a tea tomorrow we mock bear. Or not confessing. Okay, who are you taking with mock bear? That is not the problem now. The interesting part of this story, a year Senna, already last month after the burial, maybe. Oh, not just one car. My own first son, Metamu Wena, and the second one. Yes, one car with daddy, please. We have something to tell you. Now, what do you have to say? What in water? Nila wo, ni forgiving. That again, these people they are young. If you can't man, they can't hear where Ijie no hua, Azeno, that Ijie no hua, or the Azene, Ijie na very near Eva. You know, but are you aware that your mother is late? Aware, yes. You know, but what you are saying now, it sounds so funny or strange in my ear. Or that you cannot understand. As they no care, you know, Oma Agwale justice, AI so I also suppose need hide some part of it. But you know, me here a lawyer, a case he agrees on my a matter man. The lawyer can not court. Because the matter mine. That is why I'm telling you guys the real truth. While I make a live video now. What get so baby or banosa? If you have banosa or what? Or your local government. What does Sabudu? While I will. Emmanuel Bon no be now. The soma be but while I will. Yeah, the one ni kia wound name and the boom can akaboji me oh a hebotoni fee. Every man will be wiping on here. Then if you do aka, where is here? You get here only Asian. No who the mini yak bijeme because a monarch women. Value we bury an air we have your monarch me now war. Mobbing Asian would want to me. I not the personal way. I have 100%, in fact, over 100% to carry those children from wherever they are to my house because Mobian. I have a family in Nigeria. You're going. My women in Nigeria. So and I have here. Since the man have given me the support, as I speak with you now, this man is an enemy to his whole family because of me. This is the headest family, the headest son to my wife's family. You know what? The pastor no. And when you meet him in the matter, ni one matter, ni eje abiego. Lady now, we man, we ana wuji. She we are very about 100%. In fact, above 100% wrong the mother-in-law. The mother-in-law wanted the wife to stay, but the wife does not want the mother-in-law to stay. You know, it's something of a year. It may not working may stay, but my wife does not want my mother to stay in my house. It's impossible. She wanted to kill my mother away in order for her family or for her mother to retain my house. We understand the video. We're going to make a live video now because I just have some few minutes to deliberate on this issue in order to get justice from many other persons. So, Oboki me, then Obi many confess with daddy. This house when we did so, they bury some people. In a way, how do you know? In a way, so in a way, I reflect to some months ago, about a year ago. The guy come we meal with the plaster of it with your mom. She denied. Even in a sick bed, she was still denying. In a way, but how do you know those things you are talking about? Aware that although he is a small boy, but only he is small. Where Bijie no hua or bado bury me mana Nije no make it now in order for them to be staying in this house, which is the wife of my family. They collaborate together to keep my mother away from that house so that they can now be the caretaker of the house. Now, are you sure you are telling me the truth? Or when yes, or when now ni or see Nije manati stay your one long Nije now home. If not, are you sure? You are just a small boy, 10 years old. Are you sure of what you are saying? Or when yes, that I'm telling you the real truth. The only thing you have to do, take them to any pastor, always strong pastor. Because if you take them to anywhere, they can never agree what I'm saying now. Or we no hua, azen no hua, no, or the azen is the Nigerian no hua, kekeve, obigien, that is obigien no hua no, which is easy with the Canada baby, not Yaitoan, the Bobano Sabo, Wakumega live video now, Wakume Wagai, Wagasi Bobano Sabo, Wala, Wagasi Bizubo, Ibizubu won't tag mo, Ibizubu no cable Bano Sabi, Bowa, Godium local government, Ekana, Ebobanosa, or Wa, Utese, or Wa, at least the village was called Waka before I can fear with ye. At the good Yakin, Obanosa, and Ogila, Yakin, and Obanosa, the village was called Owa before in Odium local government. After Ubi, Wagbo Goneki, Ulagodao, Dodo Subi, Waisube, Usowa before Kesabudu, then from the case Ogan. There was Sogan, okay, to say Agbo, there maybe East Wegi. So, I got to work on my near 10 years old, which is my son, my little boy. Or when he 10 years nowhere. The thing you were lost him, maybe you 10 years old. The thing sounds so strange in my ear. No man, no worry, no man, my worry, I see here. You know, come on, let me do it. And I 10 years old, Mr. JB no Wobe, and no get no people by Bobe. Maybe Waliboon, now I share live video on a Wabi on. That is early last month. And I 10 years old. They came. Then I used to my first son, Omagua, Iana Balonu, Omagua, the last one. Or is the Dabita where yes, EJ, now you give my mama wish, now my mama now you give us wish. When I be want to do something, take it EJ. So now that thing, now I can kill mama, which is my wife, no, it obviously wounded. She died on the 17th of April. Then she was buried on the 8th of May this year. I spent those money for it. I spent a lot of money for it. Then the matter to already on you, and then I think over or okay. They came the first day. They don't get any work on my sister. Mammy to here now. Next week Wednesday, what will they be? The other Wednesday came. The Yamari. They don't get any work on my sister. Yamari. Gave with the baking. Now the which is the last Wednesday. No work with that. Today's Saturday now. The last Wednesday no good. If they will come again and they refuse to come, Yamari. But they came once. Amu was in. We married. Amu until Agu we or we no yagbo we. Was away me came here and Wayagbe, Ubiwa, even just the daughter of a wuna. But who were not making women or Boboki men, Rigime or Bear or Bokime. My son, I make aware if he buy your warren, but ga friend the boy pa in the presence of Ijie no Hua. But your mother deny we my boyfriend the way my feel where you are in my with me or whether you when I lie or why no I know the man's name. You know what's his name? Or where his name is Mr. Ben. He normally come to our house even when we were still living in our Ijie's house, which is Ijie no Hua. Or where a man even since they packed to my house, the man with you one and upa. You know, can you describe the day? I want to describe the day where there was a day. My mom, my own person, my own biological mom, we are asking my wife, who is this person? Or where or where or Tiano, or where that man is not our brother. A man or a boyfriend Ijie. But let's forget about the story because no man nowhere Ijie nowhere or lily man Ijie wune. So I know your thing is over Enoge. Believe you me, as I speak right now, these people refuse to answer the Enoge's palace. What step do I take again? Because these people, they got to where if you see the capitals of those two children, nobody will tell you where they are really possessed. They are really possessed where Azanya Gelehi. You will not even need another seer or a native doctor or a pastor to tell you where these people they are witch. In fact, a Bible where by their food we shall know them. For their characters and their behavior, in fact, they are present in front of you. You will know that those people they are witch. So, in order not to take too much of your time, please, we're going to make a live video now. How do I say it? Already Enoge because I don't work I cannot just swing into action without involving the Enoges of the area. Now they are taking the Enoge for granted. I need another fundamental procedure. You know that is another way. Where do I go from here? That a government which is my first son where Ijie no family Ijie make sure where he bring my mother to grave. Even to say a son and metamu now today's date now is about I think today is 20, I'll be 21. I believe today is 20. So October 2020, November 2020. Today's date is okay 21. Today's date is 21 Saturday. On November 2020. Please share this my broadcast to any platform, most especially Nigeria Watch, Dan Ijayi, and so many other social media presenters. I need where do I go from here, or what do I do next? They refuse to answer the Enoge. Amu wazen. No care of every bona, only wishing azen, no care wishing azen. We must go to the authority, Canasian, they are Zengelino, they are Zen. And me what about where you are Zen, Manon, we hazen. Then why we radio. Was supposed no see Mebolua, Wobi Wawu, Wamasi Mebolua. You know what come on, what because they are fond of doing one thing. Omaga wo 200 years of money gaji tiama wamena a language in a way oma wama ama means e man put aya tie ye in me ya hon when I was young begani but when e be so aye bo ni na we me wo ma wu ni we ta ama o ama na we ba be ti ama ye we ta tie ye de gli ya e ba ye bo ni me na do e be fake ye do amomu so ọmọ no wa gbọ mani ọmọ ni wa gele wa ta wo mani ogbe die to bo wa gbegbe o wa beta that's the wa be akin o wa beta ina can be family of can we wa ge awo na emi yen we no wa da wa we ohun wo pa kan zero yo no ke we yen mo bobo that was on the 18th of April this year because she died on the 17th. You know when I bury instantly now no it's not done that way. At least obi don making. Let's do some research or some verification in order to understand where the sudden death came from. But no one give me a listening ear. They went here broadcasting within the family. Even as I speak with you right now, some of the family members they may be reported to where this is the development of land. You may come and where bronze so they may be the way pa my yaho and where work be. They will name me Wagbo, they so young, they so waffing out, they so mad, they so that was a wrong story. If I told you matter me let God strike me dead. let God strike me dead instantly. Anything nari kufabu won't tag monema no saba ya no bombe ade. If I have said nido guode do be my biagmo, he need a justice. It's on atore. It can never be done. He need a justice. It is do atore. No, it can never be done. I must say the real truth. And everything that had happened, no, so no, since then, that is what I have just said now. Wala wo, if he bizugbe, no kebo ba no save, vowa, ne solo kata re sato pa na then go bananga ito iye baby, no ke na ga Caesar, Caesar, Prince Caesar, bizugbe. Then jolly no oni olagbo, don jolly PhD, wa go le any talent all adian. E ni Facebook is Ojere no get one of to you know answer my own. Jolly PhD wa gun any Facebook wa mi o. Then no working no see me working must see me jolly. No see me working me na ga imade. Only me call the ban na when he report my way. Iti wa working no get since then. Wa ma yere na get don we di mo gbe dobi si wa ke dobi si ri la o. Wa dobi si no ga working me no we see me. Or we go agun. Or we go agun. You got my come my go agun no problem. No ke on the block man. No ke on the block man. Ciao. Ni me ti call it or ye no working me see me kekebe no wa audio wala wo ibiagbon if he does not understand my native language, which is Edo language, please just do me a favor to click, just share it. I believe by your sharing it, there are so many people who understand the language in your platform. They understand what I'm saying. Please, a little favor, that is what I needed from individual. Just share this link. I want this thing to go viral, to go to Ebobanosa, most especially families of Ibizugbe, not just all the Ibizugbe's family in the whole world, because we have so many Ibizugbe's family in the world, in Nigeria, in Edo State. Most especially Ibizugbe that came from Owa, in Odium local government, Owa. A village before Abudu, when you are coming from Benin City. A village after Uwe, when you are coming from Benin City. A village before Abudu, when you are going to Agbo. Please, wala wo, ivi bizugbe, ekenia wenia gborian meji, ate merian gborian mo. A rien di okwo, a bojo, e ate bojo go me. We gbedan ina di okwo. But iman we di okin raje, wala wo ibi agmo. Iwa digwe, when you wagwan na ge, idigwe. Wala wo. Wagume share na emi wageso bibi bizugbe no kebo bano sabe wo wa ebo no mobude kere o mobude no nya Lighthouse Polytechnic wo wa o mobude no me church we New Benin. I forgot the name of his church. Wala wo Iwedo wariyo bome. I don't know where do I go from here. That is what I needed. Wala wo eme vani abe bi eme yabe muedia. These people, they are witch, and they confess by themselves that we are witch. The only thing you have to do, please help us. How do you revive us? And what do I do? That is what I'm asking for. Because that is what I need. I want the whole world to hear what I'm saying. Please, even if you cannot understand my language, please, my number is there. You can call to ask me some questions. Maybe I will tell you more of it. The one I forgot. Lao wo. Please, I do beg everybody that this is the favor I needed from everybody. Please do share this link. Share this Facebook. I give you the authority to share it. Share it, as even if you can share 1 million times. Share to any group you belong to, so that Ibizugbe's family, they can understand what I'm saying. They can, because I told them before, even if you guys will not give me a listening ear, I am going to social media. I want to go and look for help. That is where I came now. That is why I came here. That is where I am now. Please, do me a favor. Even if you cannot understand the whole language I have speak since, just help me to share this link to as many people you can share to. I believe for some time it will get to the families of Ibizugbe. If it will get to Owa, I need the Owa people to help me. I need the Ebobanosa people in Odium local government to help me. I need everybody, whether you are native doctor, whether you are pastor, whether you are a seer, whether you are a prophet, wherever you, whatever, any religion you belong to. Please, I need a justice. Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? I married from a bad family. A bad family gave birth to a bad wife, and a bad wife gave birth to a bad children. Where do I go from here, and what do I do next? I summoned those people in the Noge's Palace at Obe, Ikpobahi. They refused to answer me. As I speak with you now, more than a month ago, they refused to visit the Noge. They neglected the Noge. I really don't know what to do next. I think 3, 4, 5 days ago, the Noge forwarded the letter to them again that we are still waiting for you people, and they refused to come. What do I do, or where do I go next? Please. Help is what I need. I really don't need physical help, maybe by giving me money or by sending money to my account. That is not what I need for now. Iyoboniwa need the Obuwa is share, let than Iyayi and Naija Watch and every other Facebook presenter and social media. Anywhere, share it to any group you belong to in this Facebook. Wala wo. Wala. Degi mogele gbe eledi na no bokimena. Ge pate ge agbon gba me dije me no ge agbon gba e ge babola ma gbe dege be imo na ga ibi bizu gbe mi no gbe do bi si no wo ki mi o be so gbe lo popa wo yan wala wo ibi bizu gbe no kebo ba no sare owa oni omo local government ve uhun otedo be Nigeria e no wala wo ibi bizu gbe ya bizu gbe bu uhun tagbon no wa kebo ba no sare vo wa ibi bizu gbe ya bo wa ni o ibi bizu gbe a Bizugbe is a family, is a grandfather name. So the name of my late wife is Godfrey Igbinavie. A guy's name Ore Honorable Ansa. May your soul rest in peace, my honorable in-law. I respect you and I demo your enoqui because the thing that in fact the thing came as I was so traumatized. I went through trauma. How it was, or the way it is, or how it looked like. The hunger in me now, I cannot prove it to you because a picture of my or my phone. I went through trauma. In fact, I was so traumatized for what I went through in the hand of those stupid people. They are evil, they are stupid, and they are devilish. La wo ibiedo wagume rana emi wagume rae waguwe so bien wage so be ma no tie mewe a why we na unu obokana why we na unu opiana na la wo na gome TV bizugbe na ga ma mekeni ajo ekeno ikekeni ajo ijoge no gi ne yati azo iya mare ika me we omo no bi wa bia me okewu oka o ohuwa mu ojaze ni ae wa onu wa rie mi ni ya gbije me na meke na ka wuje me ogbe dorisi that ije me in a way you sure say no mama kid doris me ni ga no be the oni owe no be ije owe no be ije but my grandmother gave me something to kill ije. They said I'm the one that is they gave me the assignment to kill ije, which is ije me ije dorisi no ije working me. If they hear me, we make na beg face me say because ti di egbemele ibi show na my people no wire na ma. Ni yo bokin me o ya bere mi yo wi me which me at lawani ni je me wu. Really? Ni je me wa lawani be gani o wada so afi aye me. But ana be zigolo to zigolo ku egbe na be do ran be be. De go bokin me ya pakire. O gbe na be the say o gbe na be so afi aye o ma si be de ba o bo na de ba o we soki o ona wa le keke na pe. Be be ya botin na ti e yi ze egbe na no di ona. Iye baby ito an o wa eni oyo no nekwi ebo nekwi no o te kwikwi but ye bo fast ebo no wa nya ebo na la o e fo age natural keke e fo ago yi o be logun we me ibi agbon wala o justice e need wagume TV bizugbe ya wagume TV bizugbe no dion e bi ebe manani an ege yu mu e mo oge obi ebe gwi yen kede mi ya die oje be ka mo me banya we ni la wowo di me go ni ya gwa lo boro ni make sure we see here kekere tin ni be message unu yi bolua that whatever my children have said he is not surprised where Ijien agun kana where maybe Ijien ye magele ba rotin he ready they can deal with him where otin ne ke lo we Ijien me ye be see here. He is now giving me the authority or the audacity to drag his mother to anywhere. Okondo ma mi ekwe ni make sure we is anywhere. Wala o bi agbon wala yo bo me wala ho my brother wagume shi ona emi my way live video de na ya bi me ma no we me mo boje me I witale me yanje but my way mi run near pass through we no yan me beje na no yan do atu my bi agbon wagesi bi oba no sa ibi ebo ba no sa bo ni ameke na gume na bi zugbe oba no sa forum we Europe mana I believe we are but I really don't know their name wala wo wagesi bi ibi ebo ba no sa bo ibi bizugbe Caesar wala wo wagesa obo kekebe e Michael no ye maleke no ye gas name mo ye maleke kekebe Jolly BHND gas name mo ge kekebe Made kekebe Ijiziegbe no wa odion boku itowan eniyan kekebe vie awuyan oni agbe me ni agborije me ba me we otiyan wu ni bi agbon meke na ka wi ma ogbe owiyan no ga obo ki me na la wo keke me to me na be si an adi oge no ge be obi me ri ka ne we na mama and the grandmama plus the mama sister na he do something to take kill my mama. Now what they want to kill my mama, now he kill their mama. So please, I just need a little favor from you guys. Share this video to anybody that will help me. I need a justice is what I need in this thing, not just a maybe I need some money from any other from anybody. Please just put your hand on your sharing. Share to any group you belong to in any social media. Please. I just need the justice to prevail because I have went through trauma already. I went traumatized during this thing. I know what I'm saying. Just do me a favor by sharing this thing. Please share to all social media. Daniyayi, Naija Watch, Wagume broadcast on YouTube. Ibi bizugbe, ebo banosa, wawa. He need the justice wala wo ewo banosa ibi bizugbe e Caesar e Maleke e Jolly itohan kekebe Imade iya oni awu me gbe wala wo wa je sunu video wala wo ayoko denari imagbe ari eti hin agbe ma ibi oko egbe dan na bi oko dan be do bi omo dan be ni me e mo via bi me ya jazen ni aye wala wo ibi agbon wala wo be no waya the boy ya click on me ya share o no make na say ibi bizugbe gbe no waya mu mi no mama na yo megbere e so abo no la wo uponu wa wa agbe bagbon we ni no re me na no yo bo share na mi oga ye 100 years old o no gbe o so bo ato boy 10 years by oga ye 90 years old o so bo ato boy 10 years by inu po no ya ru o no wo agbe bagbon God will add another 10 years to it. Thank you everyone.
I don't watch the video now, see what I talk about my friends. So my advice to this man be say, I beg, this people gonna share this video so that this video will reach this man hand. So my advice to you be say, carry them to palace, draw them to palace. Then after you draw them to palace finish, then also follow Salt and Water Ministry. Join that prayer line. Then you need to do prayer. You need to be strong in prayer. Make sure you draw the go palace so that the woman will use the man talk with him in do. That's your mother-in-law. So that we will use the man talk with him in do. Draw and go palace. Draw the go palace. So for those children for inside, now God now will deliver those children. You need to pray hard. You need to pray hard. As far as those children don't use their mouth confess, that one will show their body. They don't weak. Not they active again. Not they active again at all. So you need to draw that your mother-in-law to palace. Draw and go palace. And my advice be that. And all those useless mother-in-law, those mother-in-law, when they not good, I saw God go to disgrace you now. God go to expose you now. I saw God go to expose you now because all these useless mother-in-law, when they know they use that sea property of Europe, una know as Europe be. Una know the suffer when people they suffer for this Europe. We will be saying no they use that sea Europe something. And you know I too they die for Europe something. Anything when the doctor say it dey Europe. Una I go shook like touch, like thief. One know as people they suffer for cycle till they make their money. You want collect house will not be your own by force. You want a read property will not be your own by force. Now God now go dey expose you. Any man or woman when say want they collect people something will not be in you. And God, he go sleep, he not go ever wake up. If he drink water, he salt, he go sleep, he not go ever wake up in Jesus' name. Because now that to they put for people when they Europe, when I go they wish there, when they not see paper. And so Holy Ghost fire go they burn. Anybody, any man or woman for that Nigeria, for this Europe, when they carry people, they go babalawo. When you say people when they Europe, when they not bet, when they not get document, when they not feel build that for Nigeria. Now Holy Ghost fire now go burn on our head. Now God now go destroy on if now carry motor, carry machines, and they go that babalawo place. Now thunder now go fire now don't go take trailer now go kill now in Jesus' name. Because now we don't too much for Euro property. What Euro property to people know Euro property, Europe things don't key because of Europe. Now what for now? Especially BD people is getting too much. Make una repent. Make una repent because time go see come go be so na go dey waka, na go your fall, na go die, na go your waka, na go fall, na go die, and that's what God go do am. As una see me people when they Europe don't get peace, God na go dey destroy una, God na go dey fire una, una go just dey waka, trailer go jam una, motor go jam una go die, and so it go be for una in Jesus' name. As you can say, no one come out for bad thing. And that bad thing when they do now, go die put. And that road of bad thing when they go they do the thing, now go die put in Jesus' name. Amen. So now my little advice for this our brother in the diaspora with that. So try to go palace. So make this strong in prayer. Join Mommy Yuri prayer like water ministry. So may God see you through. So please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, support your sister. Please subscribe so that we can get to 1,000 so that we can be doing live. You people can be calling in. Please support your sister as you do. May God bless you. God bless you. God bless you all. I love you all. To my whole subscriber, any single person that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, your will never fall down. Your pocket will never dry. In Jesus' name, you go higher. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.